Okay, the question on between which two integers does an irrational root lie. So it's important to understand that like 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, etc. Right, so the square root of 9, since square and square root is opposite operation. So if I take 3, I square it, I get 9. If I take the square root of 9, it's 3. Ne? So if I have, for instance, the square root of, let's say, 15, ne? I go and see here, the square root of 16 will be 4 and the square root of 9 will be 3. Ne? Now, since 15 lies there between 9 and 16, the square root of 15 must lie between 3 and 4, and that's the two integers between which that lies. So the square root of 15 lies between, and I first look at the square numbers like 1, 2, 3 squared and 4 squared. Square root of 15 I find between 3 squared and 4 squared, and for that reason the root of 9 is 3 and the root of 16 is 4. The square root of 15 will lie between 3 and 4. Say for instance I have the square root of 27. I go and see 27, where does that lie? There between 25 and 36. There I will find 27. So the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 36 is 6. So the square root of 27 will lie there between 5 and 6. So 5 comma something. And since it's much closer to 25 than to 36, I can actually guess it's going to be like 5,1, 5,2, not 5,9, where this one, 15 lies close to 16. So it's going to be 3 comma something. The root of 15 is 3 comma something, but I can also guess 3,8, 3,9. You can check with your calculator as well. The square root of 15 is 3,87, so 3,9, close to 4 because square root of 16 is 4. And then the square root of 27 lies between 5 and 6, closer to 5 because 27 is quite close to 25, 5,19, so 5,2 basically, if I round to 1 decimal. So the square root of 27 lies between the square root of 25 and the square root of 36, and the square root of 25 is 5. I don't really know the exact answer of 27, but the square root of 36 is 6. So square root 27 lies between 5 and 6.